Hi, I'm Esther and welcome to Mindens. Mindens are nutritious, delicious meals that you can make in minutes using 5 ingredients or less. And I already got started with today's Minden. I'll be honest with you, I am winging this. I have never made this before, and that's what Mindens is all about. It's the way I've been cooking since my children were young. I thought, what can I make for dinner today? And I would just put a few things together, and it always tasted great. And then now I'm finally sharing it with you, and you can catch us each week on YouTube every Monday where you can cook along with me because it's so fast, so easy, no cleanup. And today we are making an Asian noodle. I live in Columbus, Ohio. Very hard for us to find this here, and it is one of my favorites whenever I go into New York or Chicago. They have these amazing rice sticks, and very simple to do. Now, even though my meals are like 5 minutes or less, this one is a little longer because what you have to do is you have to soak this for 30 minutes, and that's all you do, and then they're ready to go. While you're getting ready, while you're doing homework with the kids, while you're taking a hot tub, whatever, soak your noodles, and then they come out like this. And then what I did was I already started doing our chicken, sprayed the pan with a little bit of our olive oil spray, and they cook up really quickly. So this is already cooking. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our noodles, they're nice and soft, and the chicken, I flip them over, I'm putting this right on top. Get a couple of the last noodles in there. This is gluten-free. This has 8 servings in a package, so what I did was I used half the package, and then you can save this for another meal. Now all I'm going to do is I took 3 scallions, and while your chicken is cooking up, that's a good time to cut your scallions and cut whatever else you want to put in your stir fry. I wanted to do scallions, so I'm putting in 3 scallions. And then I thought this looked fun, some Bok Choy. We're going to put this in here. And like I said, I'm winging it. If you see this on Mindens, it means it turned out great. If you don't, it didn't turn out so good. I'm going to take this. I'm going to take Goyza hot sticker sauce. I use this, I think it's great. I use it for a lot of things, not just dipping. I'm going to just pour some right on top, and you'll have the rest of the jar left for your dipping of your pot stickers. Get a spoon. And we're just going to let this heat through. I have a feeling this is going to be delicious. And you know when you're going to find out? If you catch my Instagram, which is Mindens, I will post a picture of the finished product, and you'll be able to see all the nutritional information and the cost per serving on our website, which is www.mindens.com. Thank you for joining us today. Subscribe, it's free. Today we did a Asian noodle, and if you are watching this, it means it's delicious.